How to day trade gold. So today's video is a complete guide to trading gold. All right, family, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm day trading gold. So I just wanted to let you guys see this first of all. This is my entry, got my stop loss. I've got everything in place. I'm going to break it down. This is not where I'm looking to take TP, but this is just where I've left it for now. I'm going to break down what I'm seeing on gold right now that made me get into this trade. Family, so I'm going to show you guys some multi-time frame analysis on gold right now. We're going to be zooming straight in to gold right here. So you can see price is making lower lows and lower highs on the higher time frame. Lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a lower high. After running out this low and mitigating the down close candle to the left and running out all these relative equal lows and all this liquidity down here. However, I'm looking for a very small opportunity to the upside. If price trades above this high over here, this is when I'm going to be super bullish. So any kind of retracements will be an indication for me to buy and take price higher and run out all these different highs until we get to the very highest point, these relative equal highs on top here. On the lower time frames, there is a potential buying opportunity to the upside, and I'm going to show you that now. I'm in a 50-minute time frame and price is dropping, as you guys can see. So as you guys saw in a higher time frame too, but like I said, there is a potential buying opportunity right now on gold, and this is what I'm looking to do. I'm not looking to take it to this high. This is if you're looking to scalp this. I'm not looking to scalp this, but I will be looking to take this up into a lower time frame premium. And so let's quickly go on the market up from this very high to the low. This was our current high. This is our current low. We know where equilibrium is, which is up here, but I'm looking for a point of interest that's within a discounted price. So technically I can take it all the way up into this area of inefficiency. However, this is our up close candle from here to here. So this is our up close candle. We can potentially look for price to turn around at 3 potential areas, which is the up close candle low. When we go up the time frame, you might see a lot cleaner. There we go. This is a lot better. 30-minute time frame, you can see the up close candle a lot cleaner. So once again, look, we have the low, we have the open of the up close candle, and then we roughly have about 50%. I'm going to see if I can eyeball it one more time. There we go. Something along those lines there. Let's quickly check to see whether I got that right. Once again, off by a few pips, but it's all good. There we go. That's 50%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to take price into a premium price, deep within a premium. You guys know where premium is, so let me quickly mark up for you guys. So from this kind of 6 low to that one's high, this is a 30-minute swing high, 30-minute swing low. This is a premium price, anything above here, and I'm going to look to take it up higher. So how I'm going to play is the moment price gets up into the very open, I'm going to take partials and move my stop loss into profit, and then I'm going to let the rest ride to see whether I can run it up into this. The reason I'm looking to buy here is because you want to be a buyer beneath an old low. You don't want to be selling. So the moment price traded through a short-term high, which is this one over here, it came out to retrace into it. This is why I was looking to get active here to take price to the upside, because technically when it trades through a short-term high, it's telling you that it wants to trade back up into the range, into something it could potentially use to turn around at. And so this is why we have the up close candle. Let's quickly put on my options, so my position. So here's my position right now. You guys saw when I was entering, and now you're going to see when I'm looking to take TP. And then one thing else about this as well is that I actually like this 50% because there's also an imbalance here. If I go ahead and mark this up now, let's just move this out of the way for a quick second so you can see where the imbalance is. Right, that's our imbalance, and so this is why I'm going straight up into this area here. So it's a juicy move, roughly about 175 pips. This is going to be a 1 to 9 hour trade if I hold the whole thing. I most likely won't hold the whole thing because the trend is still dropping lower. So here is an update right now. So you can see gold has absolutely banged. It's gone right to our TP point. It's been absolutely perfect. But let me break down what actually happened here. Like I said, your boy was in the gym, so I was really busy. It was a leg session. I was going absolutely crazy on legs. Thought I was going to pass out halfway through, but that's another story. What we were seeing here on gold was this. You guys know about the entry, pretty clear entry, but then look at this. After price ran out these highs with this buy candle here, price then dropped straight down to my entry. At this point now, every single person who had moved their stop loss into break even or a few pips in profit, they would have been taking out the trade here. Then they would have seen price moving so fast, then they would have been left chasing the trade. When you move your stop loss before the agenda has even been complete, so getting to this up close candle, you know with gold there's lots of manipulation, so it's very likely for them to come back to your stop loss before actually going to the up close candle. So this is why it's very dangerous to move your stop loss before they've even got to their agenda yet. So anyway, like I said, they would have been left chasing a trade. Looking at the times, price got up into this institutional candle when I was actually driving. I wouldn't have been able to close off part of the position, but when I eventually parked up, gave it some time, then after this little small rejection to the downside, price then dug into this institutional candle again. So this is where I took profit when price was pushing up higher, and then I closed off the rest of the position when it was in this imbalance here. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my executions. There you go. I entered here when price dug into this down close candle in here. Then I took my first TP when price was trading higher, when it dug into that institutional candle one more time, and I took off the rest of the position when price was within the imbalance.